I want to know something about yourself. So please introduce yourself.
I am Roshni from Koshambi. I live at Hussein Mai. About my qualification, I have done intermediate from Savitribai Phule Rajkiya Ashram Paddhati Palika Inter College. About my family background, my father's name is Mr. Lalman Pal. My father is driver. My mother's name is Mrs. Suman Pal. My mother is homemaker. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. About my hobbies, I like reading books and watching CID. About my aim, I want to be a government employee.
As you said that you want to be a government employee.
Yeah.
Can you please tell me why do you want to be a government employee?
Yeah. I want to be a government employee because if we have a government job, people give respect, special respect, and I want to I want to make my parents proud feel, and I want to provide all facilities in my family.
Okay. In government job,
Yeah.
what type of job do you want to join?
I think after 5 years.
Why do you want to join? But which job? Have you decided? For
No,
what you will prepare?
no.
Okay. That's great. And what will you do for that? You said that you want to be a government employer.
Yeah.
So for that, what will you do? How will you prepare?
Self study. I will prepare self study from self
Okay,
study.
many people are there. They are attending classes, offline classes, online classes, and
Yeah.
they please come to get job.
Yeah.
And we will do self study.
Yeah.
So it will be easy
Self
for you.
study with offline coaching, online coaching.
According to you, self study is good, or by joining coaching you can do better.
Online or offline?
Okay, whatever it is,
I think offline is better.
I am asking you that self study is good, or it is good to go any coaching and study over there.
Both are good.
How both are good? Can you please tell me something of it?
Yeah. Self study. I think self, but this time self study depend by phone, and offline study is also better because we can solve our problem, our confusion. So this is good.
Okay, how old are you?
I am 18 years old.
Okay, do you know what is the age criteria for filling form of government job?
Yeah, I think 21, 22.
21, 22.
Sorry, sir?
Actually, I am asking you,
Yeah.
what is age criteria to fill a form?
18 years.
18 years.
Yeah.
Okay, that is good. You have not decided that what you want to do. You said that you want to get a government job.
No,
What type of job do you want to
I decide I want to be teacher.
Why do you want to be a teacher?
Teacher is good, and teacher ca- can't do many things.
Okay,
Yeah.
such as
Te- Teacher can change your life,
but
and
right,
I like teacher personalities.
but right now there are many teachers.
Yeah.
They become teacher by working hard, but when they join school, they don't teach students. What do you want to say about this?
Because uh, before become teacher, uh, they do hard work, but after get job, pe- people don't care. But this is not good. When I will become teacher, then I will teach very well, properly.
One more thing, you said that you are learning English right now.
Yeah.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because I like English. I want to learn computer, and in government job, very much required is English. And if we talk about NDA, Navy, very important English. And I have many friends. They know how to speak English, but I don't know how to speak English. So I don't like. I don't feel good.
what would you like to say about this coaching? How
Yeah.
did it change your life? How did it help you?
When I came here, I didn't know how to speak English. I didn't know how to understand English. But this time, I understand English. I speak English. So I feel proud. I feel good.
Okay. What do you want to do for your family when you get your own job?
Yeah, because I am elder in my family, in sister and brother. I will do better. I will provide all facilities, and when I will do like my younger sister and brother will do, so I will do better always.
How many members are in your family?
There are 6 members in my family.
Tell me something about your family.
Yeah. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. I am elder, and my one sister is 17 years old, and my one sister is 10 years old, and my brother is 7 years old. And I am first child of my parents, so my parents, my parents has extra expectation.
Okay, so that's good. You said that you want to be a government employee.
Yeah.
What do you think right now? Why people want to get? Why do you want to get only government job?
Yeah.
Private job is also there. You can also go for that.
Because in society, people give respect, special respect, and I think every student want to make our family feel proud.
So, what do you want to say? I mean, those who are doing a private job, they don't get respect.
Get respect, but according to government job, little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mean to say that in government job they get much respect and in private job less?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. What do you want to do for your society?
Society, first of all, I will do girls matter, because in village now some people can't understand girls is not good. Girls do only homework. This is not good. Yesterday, Manu Bhaskar, she won and she got gift from Olympic.
Okay, she got.
Yeah.
What did she get? What did she get?
Shooter, in shooter field.
Okay.
Yeah. And also IPS officer, first IPS officer Kiran Bedi.
She got medals?
Yeah. Manu Bhaskar got medals.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is good. Who is your ideal person?
I don't have one ideal person. I have many ideal person. If we talk about family member, my maternal uncles and my father is my ideal person. But Suraj Tiwari is my ideal person. This time he is IS officer, and they don't have legs. In accident, lost, and he don't have one hand. He have left hand, and in left hand only 3 fingers. But this time he is IS officer, and he got 917 rank in UPSC.
Do you also want to prepare for UPSC?
No, I will think
You will think.
in this matter. Yeah.
Okay, if you prepare, this is good for you, because everyone, all the students who go for preparation in their life, they start prepare once.
Yeah. But I like teachers. I like teacher personalities.
Okay, for being a teacher,
Yeah.
what is important?
I think teacher. I told I teacher can't change everything.
Teacher
You
can
know.
change, as you
Yeah.
said that you want to be teacher, but what about what qualification will be needed over there?
B.Ed, BTC, MBA, MSc.
Do you think that you can do B.Ed or B.Ed, BTC?
No, I think I can do MA.
Okay. What about your hobbies?
My hobby is watching CID and reading book.
CID.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite book?
My favorite book, Kshitij, in syllabus of class 12th.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why do you like to read books?
Because I my habit and hobby but in syllabus in Kshitij one chapter is very I like very much, Bhakti by Mahadevi Verma. Very nice chapter. When I when I read, I feel like
Who is your
good.
ideal person?
In family
Already
member,
you have told.
in
Already
my
you have told.
family member,
In family you have told. You know whom you, I want to know that do you have interest in politics or not?
no, I don't have interest.
And what about movies do you like?
Yeah, my favorite movies हम साथ साथ हैं.
Okay. Why do you like this movie?
Because this is familiar movie, not fight anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
I would like to ask you, I'll give you a topic and you will have to speak.
Yeah.
Okay. What topic do you want to speak?
Unemployment.
Unemployment. Can you speak well on this topic?
I will try.
Please tell me something about unemployment.
There are many problem in our country, but unemployment is big problem in our country, and there are many reasons for unemployment: education system, population, lacks of factory, use of machine, mentality of youth. And if we talk about education system, I think in our country education system is not good because teacher teach only syllabus book, not other things. And in China, in other country, teacher teach many things like preparing battery, this type. And if we talk about population, day by day in India increase population, and India has first rank of population in world, and this time 135 crore people in India. And people people is limited, people is unlimited, and job is limited. So this is problem, very big problem. And if we talk about mentality of youth, teacher teach teacher sorry student study very much, they get degree, and but after that they think I will do only official job. This is not good because everything is limited. If everybody can't um, everybody want to do official job, so this is not good. And government provide many skill development, like kaushal vikas yojana, but students don't take interest, only they take degree, they take certificate, after that don't they don't do job. And if we talk about lacks of factory, in other country there are many company factory, but in our country company and factories are limited, and this is very big problem. Unemployment and use of machine also reason. because this time of machine, and every people want to make work from machine, not people.
Okay, that's it. Now I'll ask you some question more about it. Okay.
Yeah.
About unemployment, as you said that so many problems are in our country and people are unemployed. What is reason that people of our country they have a degree,
Yeah.
they have degree, they are talented,
Yeah.
but they don't get job, and those who don't have much knowledge they are getting job.
Because sir, I think job job is limited and people is unlimited. If I want to give one example, if in one room one chair but people four, so then you have example for you have a lot of knowledge, but you can get one. It means in room one chair four people, but one,
Yes, it.
yeah, one people can sit, not four. So this is
But my question is not
problem.
this. I'm asking you that
Yeah.
talented students
Yeah.
they are not getting job,
Yeah.
but those who don't know how to study, who don't know how to read, they get job.
I don't have idea in this matter. Sorry.
Okay. About Paper League.
Yeah.
What do you want to say Paper League?
Yeah. When people
Paper out, Paper League.
when people leak, I think student confidence low this time, because every people think, every student think I do better, I do hard work, but I don't get job. So uh, many people that time commit suicide.
Commit suicide.
Yeah.
Why do they commit suicide?
Because they was bored in matter, because they have they have many degrees, and they don't have job. So people, I think not good better. And in home, uh, many parents, some parents said i I taught, I gave a lot of money, but you don't get job. So
Okay, it means that family members and
yeah,
society
force.
they don't.
Yeah,
They
don't. Yeah,
So do you think that society is the only solution of this?
no. Society is not solution
So
in
what
this.
should they do?
Other work, not they do other work, not only official work, because life is one more. So every people want to enjoy life, not only job.
One more thing you said about some time about a skill development program. What is this?
This is provided by government, and many teacher teach stitching and computer courses. And in our area, MV Convent teacher teach this type things, and after that 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, people study. After that, go in company like Noida, Haryana. In my school, many girls win, and many girls she is going. They are going.
Okay, it means that according to you, it is a good plan for of government. It is good scheme of government.
Not sir. Good or not good, both. but option is better. If you don't want to do hard work for government job, so this is easy. You can do 6-month course, 7-month course. After that you can earn money.
How population is responsible for unemployment percentage?
Yeah,
How is it going?
I told sir, because population is unlimited and job is limited. I think this is reason for unemployment.
According to you, what is solution of it?
Yeah, solution. Government provide some school for women, because I think women is first teacher in teacher of child, and women change mentality, not because this time girls and boys are equal.
So it is good. What is problem?
Yeah, because some people, they don't have girls, they want to boy, and some people they don't have boy and they want to girl. So I think this type of population is increasing, I think.
Okay. And one more thing, you said that population is responsible for job sector. People are unlimited and jobs are limited. But government is increasing job. If we don't have talent, how will we get job? Talent is also important.
I know sir, talent is also important, but some students do study, but not better. Not they don't have method for study, and like they study, but they don't know syllabus. They study other things, so this is not good.
Yes, sir. That is it. And after 25 days, this batch will be finished.
Yeah.
So, what would you like to say about this batch? How was this batch? You learn English from here. So, what do you want to say about this coaching?
Yeah, coaching is very better, because how came here,
When?
when I came here, I didn't know how to speak English. I didn't know understand English, but this time I speak English. I feel proud. I feel good, and I understand English. When I see in phone some sentence, when I see in news channel, I understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
And after 25 days batch will be finished,
Yeah.
then what will you do?
I think I will do learn computer.
Sorry?
I will learn computer.
You will learn computer.
Yeah.
Why do you want to learn computer?
I don't know this time, but I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is the computer important for job?
Yeah. Computer is important for job, because this time of digital, and every work depend on a computer. Government job and private job.
One more thing you said that foreign spoken is very much important. How is English spoken is important for foreign country?
Yeah, foreign country, because if we will go and we will not understand English, then we will face many problems. People will speak English and I will not understand, so I will face problem. And if we will go for job, so we will face problem, because I think English is common language. Every country and every state has our language, but English is common language. Everybody has everybody understand English language.
Now tell me something about your academic. Okay, when did you complete your intermediate?
I completed my intermediate 2024,
In,
in 2024.
and which is your first subject?
My favorite subject is political science.
Political science.
Yeah.
And what was your subject in intermediate?
I had 5 subjects: Hindi, English, political science, geography, and history.
Okay, that is good. And now after completing your intermediate,
Yeah.
what would you do in academic? Would you like to do graduation?
Yeah. I will do graduation.
Have you taken graduation?
No, this time I don't take.
Sorry?
I didn't take admission
When will you take graduation?
after 10 days.
Okay, where will you take graduation?
I will take admission in Suryapal Singh Degree College.
Surat also. Okay, how far is your house from here?
I
What is
don't.
distance of your house from here?
I think 8 kilometer.
8 kilometers.
Yeah.
And how do you come here? How do you come here?
I come here by taxi.
By taxi.
Yeah.
And with whom do you come here?
I come here with alone.
Sorry?
I come alone.
You come alone.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to say right now? Many girls are there because they are girls. That is why they can't go other place to study because they have to face problem. What kind of problem they have to face? Like you are also a girl.
Yeah.
You come over here.
Yeah.
Okay, and but many girls are there. They want to study, but they can't. They don't study. If they don't, they can't come.
Yeah.
What is your meaning?
Because her her parents don't understand girls. Girls personalities, girls, and they don't send coaching and other academy, and so, and but if we good, if we nature good, so yeah, our nature is good, I think don't we will not face problem.
Do you face any kind of problem when you come over here? The society member will say anything to you?
No.
Nobody
Never.
say? Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me something about your own village. Your village.
Yeah. First of all, my village name is Husainmai Gospel Koshambi, and near of Ganga ji, and my village is good, and they have many trees, and they have many fields, and
Yeah.
there are many fields.
Who is the prime of your village?
Bhavar Singh, my prime,
Prime of-
my prime
Prime of my villages.
of my village is,
Prime of my villages.
yeah, Bhavar Singh Yadav.
Horse, yeah, he's prime village.
Yeah,
He's doing good job for your village.
yeah,
Are you satisfied with me?
yeah. I am satisfied with him.
Okay. So in your village, what kind of problems are there? Availability infrastructure, electricity, is there any
Yeah,
problem?
yeah, electricity, very much problem. because they are not transformer. They are only 1-2 transformer, and they don't. They
It is also
don't.
automotive.
Yeah.
It's automotive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very much load.
Okay. Takes very much time.
Yeah.
And that's fine. You did well. And some more questions I will ask you. And after that, I would like to wrap up. As I told you, you also know after 25 years, the last you finished it, and you want to be a own employer. That is good. And I really got that you got success. And today, to your interview, that was nice. Okay, you told so many things, and it was good. And in future, I believe you can do very well, and you have long life, and you keep on practicing. In future, after completing batch, don't stop speaking English. Wherever you have atmosphere of English language, you should always speak. If you have someone, your friends, relatives, those who are able to speak, you should always talk to them. Because the more you will practice, the better you will be. Speaking comes by speaking, and you know where you are. In starting when you came here, I told you, you have to be regular. But you also missed many classes. So that was not good. But even then I told you, overall right now, you are doing better. And in future, you keep on practicing, you will do good. Nice to talk to you. See you in future. You never know.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.